DIY angle finder. It's a 10-minute build and a tool that you already should have in your workshop. If you don't have one, well, it's a perfect video for you, as this is super simple to make and very helpful in many scenarios. For example, if you're cutting some skirting boards and you want to transfer the angle from your wall to the skirting boards, this is perfect. But also, if you are working on a project and it does have some strange angles, and again, you don't have an angle finder, well, it can't get any simpler than this. So let's not waste any more time and let's get building. The strips need to be 4 centimeters wide, however, you can do any sizes you want. For my project, I'm using 10mm plywood. However, you can use MDF or anything else you've got that's nice, straight, true and flat. Where it comes to the length, again, that's down to you. For me, 20 centimeters seems to be the right sweet spot. However, you can go much longer than that. We're gonna need 2 identical pieces, so the best way to actually cut them accurately is a mitre saw. And this angle finder is designed for a mitre saw to set up the degrees that you are after, okay? So there's no scale. It is just to set up your mitre saw, or actually a table saw as well, depending what angles you're cutting. Now we need to establish some middle points for the holes to go through both pieces to hold a bolt. To make sure the hole is in the exact same place in both pieces, I'm just holding down both of the pieces together and drilling them through with a 6mm drill bit at the same time. In one of the pieces we're gonna need a larger hole, but just about halfway through to hold the head of the bolt so it's flush with the plywood. Give everything a light sand with grit 120 for nice and smooth motion. Let's initially put everything together to see if everything is nice, straight and accurate. And as you can see, I'm just hammering down the bolt, creating the exact shape of the head in the plywood. In that way, it will remain in place. So there won't be any need for glue or anything else. Just make sure it's nice and flush. Now simply put the other piece on top, plus a washer and a wing nut to hold everything together and add the locking pressure to the whole thing. Simple as that. However, that's not everything. What we need to do, we actually need to cut the corners from the top, otherwise it will get in the way. So I'm just using a round packaging of my drill bits to mark up the radius. Now there's many ways you can cut this out. You can use a jigsaw, you can use a handsaw or anything else you've got. Me, it's a bandsaw. Okay, and let's do a test cut. So I'm just marking this board with some random spaces, okay? So I don't know what the angle is. However, I need to set my mitre saw to cut that angle. So check this out. You just offer this to the piece and the top arm needs to meet at those 2 points that we marked up. And when you get to the right position, just lock everything tight. Score a line so we know exactly where the blade's gonna go. Now simply unlock your mitre, drop down the head with the blade and lock it in place. It's just so much easier to do this. Now simply offer our angle finder to the fence and to the blade of the saw. Now in this setup it will actually meet the teeth, not the body of the blade. Lock it in place and that's our angle that we need to cut. As you can see, no measurements required, nothing like that. Perfect angle. There you go. Simple as that. Sometimes the easiest solutions are the best. And there you have it, super simple build, nothing to it. It's going to take you about 10 minutes. If, for example, you don't want to spend 10 or 15 British pounds on a angle finder like this or something like this, or for example, you don't have one and you desperately need one. It is super simple to make. And as always, massive thank you to my Patreons for the ongoing support. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out these 2 playlists, plenty of cool videos there. Hopefully I'm gonna see you on the next one. For today, that's all. Thank you very much. Take care.